to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a very cool 1967 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. 15,000 actual miles, guys. Neat car. I bought it out of Alabama. To tell you how small the world is, matter of fact, something pretty cool. This car was actually owned at one time by my mechanic, Mike, by one of his good buddies. As soon as he knew the car, he took a picture of it and sent it to his buddy. He said, "Man, that's just your old car," and sure enough, it was. Again, 15,000 actual miles. It is a true 442 with the original window sticker in a original car. It has had some spot paint, but most of this car is actually the original paint, original interior. Engine and trans have been rebuilt, but very original car. Of course, you can see the factory louvered hood. Again, it's original paint, guys. Most of it, you can pick it. So you're not going to hear me talk about beautiful paint. You can pick the paint. Most of the chrome and stainless, I believe to be original. The bumpers and stuff look original to me. I think they've changed the lower stainless on the car. This stuff here looks too nice to me. I think they've replaced all that stuff. Factory louvered hood. Again, original paint on most of the car. Front windshield's been replaced. It's got the factory soft ray glass on the sides. Top's in great shape. Works great. I've got some good photos of that. Again, it's the original interior. And I will tell you one thing about these Oldsmobiles are great cars anyways. This thing runs and drives excellent. Outstanding. Nice and tight. I mean, I wouldn't be afraid to jump in this thing and go anywhere. It's a good car. And again, these cars, you can't prove them through the VIN. I know they got the 5Y on the trim tag and stuff like that, which this car has. But we actually have a window sticker to prove that this is a real car. This is not a clone. See that side trim? That stuff looks new to me. It's too nice. Bumpers look original. Still very nice. But I think that side trim has been changed on both sides. And again, you can pick the paint. Good, solid, straight body. It's clean underneath. Obviously, they've changed the tires. It's got BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines on it. They're not bias plies. It's got the chrome SS1 wheels. It does have the correct engine. I'll get in there, post the casting code and everything on it. 4-barrel, factory chrome intake, factory exhaust manifolds and intake manifold. These 400 turbohydramatic transmissions. And again, this stuff's all original under here. Again, the engine has been gone through. It's got the hardened valve seats on it. We know that the engine has been rebuilt. Trans has been also gone through. Power steering, manual brakes. Here's probably the worst of the paint. I don't know, you know, guys ask you, would you paint it, would you not? I don't know. I mean, I just drive it. I mean, you're gonna have which is what everybody else has done. Just had a blast with it and drove it. I think these are all original. Again, the interior's all original for the car. Door skins are nice and clean. Car was factory optioned with the bench front seat. Power top works great. Steering, oh man, it's gonna start sprinkling on us. Great. Gauges are nice and clean. Original clock works. Original radio works. Again, top works great. I ended up putting new mufflers on it. The original mufflers were cracked. They were busted open, so I just went ahead and set it down to muffler man and had new exhaust. They just sounded terrible, so I didn't want to send it out like that, so I had the exhaust replaced. Factory jack was spare. This is your original spackle paint in the trunk. There's your original window sticker. $184 for the 442 option. Original owner's manual. Yeah, sprinkling on us. It's been raining here for 4 days. I thought it was supposed to be sunny and nice, but factory rear axle with the box control arms. I think it's the G80 performance rear axle. And when you get in this car and drive it, man, it is nice and tight, drives great. I don't think I'd do anything. Turn the key, just cruise the heck out of it, have a blast, which is what everybody's done. I'm sure it's a great conversation piece. Turn the key, fires right up. Nice and tight. Fuel gauge works. Again, original clock works. 15,044 miles. Oh, we got a doggone light out. I'll check. It's probably a bulb. You know, I thought this thing was working. Backup lights work. I'll check that. I bet you, oh, I think it's on. I bet you the bulb's just dim. Great sound.
Try it free at ziprecruiter.com/Angela.
Radio works, blower motor works, again, top works great. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great sound. Great day, guys.